Hey guys, welcome to another episode of my channel. Today we are going to continue our story about stable diffusion and comfyui, and we are going to talk about Loras. So what Lora actually is? Lora, you could understand it as a sub-model or a way to tune your model a little bit towards some direction. For example, you have Loras for many things, to result to be more cartoonish or to be more realistic or to have like better hands or to look like some type of franchise like Warhammer 40k in my case. Yes, I have one Lora that is going to make my final result to look more like something from Warhammer 40k. And you can download your Loras from multiple places. One of those are Manager, your comfyui Manager. Go to Model Manager. In here, look for, let's find Lora. Yeah, it's in here, and in here you have bunch of different Loras. And the only thing that you should be careful about is your base model. For example, you cannot use Flux Loras with SDXL model. And another thing, different model is going to produce different result with Loras. So if you use one model, don't expect result to be the same with another model, although you are using same Loras. Okay, close all of this. Let me show you how this works. So I'm going to load checkpoint first, and I'm going to use this model, Araxa XL. This is model from Civit AI. It works quite well, from my opinion. So you're free to try with some other model, doesn't matter. Now with model, go and search for Lora multi-stack, and with this node you could add multiple Loras. For now we are not going to add any Lora in order to see how this works. So clip to clip, model to model, and now from clip we are going to search for set layer, and I'm going to set it to -2. That is recommended setting for this model. And in here of course we are going to add clip text for positive, for negative prompt, and with model we are going to start case sampler. We are going to use case sampler. Now conditioning positive to positive, negative to negative, and a latent image. Empty latent image, except if you don't want to use some base. I don't. And the recommended settings for this model, it's 1024 by 1024. All right. Recommended sampler, it's this one, DP MPP 2M SDE GPU, and scheduler, it's Keras. All right. Is there anything that I missed? No, not for now. At least now decoder and preview image. Going to make this a little bit bigger. And for VAE model, I am going to load one that I like. It's this one, AI EarthLab SDXL. You can use any one that you like, of course that one which is compatible with your model. And now in ChatGPT I have some prompts already prepared. This is a prompt for Knight in Shiny Armor. All right, and I'm going to add some divine aura to it. All right. In here, comma, and negative prompt. All right, negative prompt in here. So we are going to test this workflow without any Lora applied. First, all right, result could be better, but it's not bad. And what is this in on his forehead? Some kind of damaged area. Okay, it doesn't matter for now. This is used only with our model. And now what I want to do, I want to apply Lora to it. First, I'm going to apply Lora for realism. Alright, some Loras need keywords applied to clip encoder in order to operate well. This Lora does not, so we can use it without anything to applied to clip text encoding. And this number, strength, it's actual strength of your Lora, how strongly your Lora affects final result. And don't exaggerate, this works the best in between 0.7 and 1.3. If you raise this number, for example, like 2.0, you are going to get some mess. Alright, now let's test our result by using this one Lora. Hopefully we are not going to get damage like in here. But usually when I see something like this, I raise level of steps, meaning number of steps, and that is what is usually solving it. All right. No errors. At least I cannot see any. Image is a little bit too dark, but it looks fine. It looks realistic. This would definitely going to look much better on higher resolution, but even with 1024 works, it's looks just fine. Okay, and now let's see what we are going to get by applying that another Lora. I'm going to click on add Lora, and I'm going to add that Warhammer 40k XL Lora. This Lora is going to add Warhammer element to our final result, but we need to add something to prompt. Warhammer 40k and Space Marine. Okay, let's see what we are going to get now. All right. We have Space Marine standing in the field of wheat, I believe. And I don't know what chapter this is. Doesn't matter. So guys, that's all for now. I hope that you learned something new and interesting. So thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and see ya!